A very good afternoon to one and all present here. As our dignitaries have arrived, it gives me great joy and pride to our esteemed guests who are with us to celebrate a very special occasion, the birthday of our beloved chairman, Mr. Prakash Chandra Shetty. And now, to express our love and cheer through dance, our talented grade 6 and 8 students are all set to present a vibrant performance. So let us clap louder, smile wider, and celebrate the amazing leader at the heart of GM Global.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Birthday, 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 H-A-P-P-Y. Birthday, 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 H-A-P-P-Y. Birthday, 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 H-A-P-P-Y. Birthday, birthday, birthday.
ये मेरी अदा है, ये मेरा है स्टाइल. ये मेरी अदा है, ये मेरा है स्टाइल. जो सरप्राइज हो गए हो तुम. Now don't just smile. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Many warm hugs to you. और थोड़ी annoyance कुछ तेरे सारे गम ले लूं मैं. और मेरी सारी खुशी तू.
पकड़ो ओहो ऑर्डर गन हित में जारी रे लिटिल बिट झटकाओ जिसे दिया वो लटकाओ फेमस होने लगी अपनी पागल पंछी रे बाड़ी तो बनती है और बाड़ी तो बनती है बाड़ी तो बनती है बाड़ी तो बनती है बाड़ी अपनी जा रही है
leaders build institution, but great leaders build legacy and inspire generation to dream bigger. Sir, you are that great leader for us at GM Global School. I am Tanvi from grade 8B, and it's my absolute honor to take you through the opening of today's joyous celebration. With immense joy and great respect, I extend a heartfelt welcome to all our dignitaries on this special occasion. I welcome our beloved chairman, Mr. Prakash Chandra Shetty, whose vision, dedication, and unwavering commitment continue to guide and inspire us every day. Welcome you, sir. I welcome Mrs. Tara Prakash Chandra Shetty, our respected trustee, whose graceful presence are a constant source of encouragement. Welcome you, ma'am. Mr. Pranav Shetty, our dynamic managing trustee, whose enthusiasm and forward-thinking leadership energize every initiative at GM Global. Welcome you, sir. Mr. Shrima Pranav Shetty, our esteemed guest for the day, who's present at charm to this celebration. Welcome you, ma'am. We also extend a warm welcome to our principal, Mrs. Deepthi Shetty, and all our dedicated teachers and fellow friends who add energy and joy to this celebration. Today, GM Global shines a little brighter, not just with decorations, but with admiration and gratitude for a great leader who has touched countless lives. Sir, on behalf of every student and teacher, we wish you a day filled with joy and a year filled with blessings. Happy birthday once again, sir. This day and celebration belongs to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Tanvi. That was a warm welcome indeed. And it's now time that we have a mesmerizing Yakshagana performance from the students of GMVPS, Shreyas from grade 9 and Prerna from grade 7. Over to you, students.
ರವಿಯೇರಿ ಬರುತ್ತೀರೆ ಮೋಡದಂಗಳ ವರ್ಣ ವಿಸ್ತಾರ ಸ್ವರ್ಣ ಚಿತ್ತಾರ ನೋಡು ನಮ್ಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವರ್ಣ ಪಂಚಮದ ಇಂಚರ ಜೋಡಿ ಮಾಮರ ನಿಗಲನೆ ಹಾಡುತ್ತಿರೆ ಪಂಚಮದ ಇಂಚರ ಪಂಚಮದ ಇಂಚರ ಪಂಚಮದ ಇಂಚರ ಜೋಡಿ ಮಾಮರ ನಿಗಲನೆ
It's a day to celebrate the life of someone truly special. A person whose vision, dedication, and dreams gave shape to the place we proudly call our second home, GM Global School. Yes, it's the birthday of our beloved chairman, sir. As Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam once said, dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts, and thoughts result in action. Sir, your dreams have turned into our school, our learning ground, our inspiration, our future. Thank you for being the heart and soul of this journey. Let's make today not just a celebration, but a memory. Where there is light, there is hope. Where there is prayer, there is peace. And now we begin this joyful day with an auspicious start. I request our esteemed dignitaries to come forward and light the traditional lamp, a symbol of wisdom, positivity, and knowledge. May I also request everyone to please rise and join us in this moment of reverence.
शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते.
And now, here comes the sweetest part of this celebration. It's time to mark this special day with smiles, cheers, and of course, a birthday cake. As the Sanskrit sloka says, Janmadinamidam Ayushman Bhava. May this birthday bless you with long life and good health.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, sir. Happy birthday to you. May the good God bless you. May the good God bless you. May the good God bless you and keep you. Happy birthday to you. May you have many more. May you have many more. May you have many more birthdays. Happy birthday to you. Thank you, sir. On behalf of the entire staff of GM Global, we are delighted to present this token of our love on your special day. Thank you for your inspiring leadership, sir.
With the warm wishes and appreciation from our teaching faculty, I now invite Ravi Shankar sir to share few words on behalf of all our teachers.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭ ದಿನದ ಶುಭ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ. ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಮೌನ ಹಾಗೂ ನಗುವಿನ ಮಹತ್ವ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಪರಿಹರಿಸಲು ನಗುತ್ತಾರೆ, ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಎದುರಾಗದಂತೆ ತಡೆಯಲು ಮೌನ ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದು ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡಂತಹ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ಅಂಶ. ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಮೇಲಿರುವ ಮುಖಸ್ಥಿತಿರುವ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತರೆ, ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಜನ್ಮದಿನವನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ, ಆಶಾವಾದಿ, ಗುರಿಕಾರ, ಛಲಗಾರ, ಭವಿಷ್ಯತ್ತಿನ ನೇತಾರ ಸರ್, ನಿಮಗೆ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಈ ದಿನ ಕನಸಿನ ಹಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ಜೀವ ತುಂಬಬೇಕಾದ ದಿನ. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಅವರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಹೇಳುವಂಥ ವಿಷಯ. ಆದರ್ಶ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯು ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೂ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಬದುಕಿಗೆ ಹೊಸ ತಿರುವು ತಂದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲಿಲ್ಲ ಎಂದರ್ಥ. ಉತ್ತಮ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗೆ ಹುಡುಕಾಟ ನಡೆಸಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಹಿಂದೆ ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ಮಾಡುವ ಉತ್ತಮ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗೆ. ಸರಳತೆಯಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿರುವ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವವನ್ನು ಸರಳ ಮಾತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ? ಭಾವನೆಯ ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಳಿದು ವಿಹರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಮವರ ಭಾವವು ಭಾಷೆಯಾದಾಗ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಇಡ್ತೇನೆ. ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಭಾವ ಭಾಷೆಯಾದಾಗ, ಕಷ್ಟಗಳನ್ನು ಭೇಟಿಯಾದಾಗ ತಾಳ್ಮೆಗೆ ದಾರಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಅವಮಾನವನ್ನು ಭೇಟಿಯಾದಾಗ ನಿರ್ಣಯಗಳಿಗೆ ದಾರಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಹಸಿವನ್ನು ಭೇಟಿಯಾದಾಗ ಅನ್ನದ ಬೆಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಸೋಲನ್ನು ಭೇಟಿಯಾದಾಗ ಗೆಲುವಿನ ದಾರಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ಅವರು ಕಂಡಂತಹ ಆ ದಾರಿಗಳು. ಯಶಸ್ಸು ಎನ್ನುವುದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಪದವಾಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಆದರೆ ಅದು ತರುವ ಪರಿಣಾಮ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಗಾಧ. ಎಂತಹ ಸೋಲನ್ನಾದರೂ ಗೆಲ್ಲುವಂತೆ ಮಾಡುವ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಅದಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಒಂದೇ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಜೀವನ್ಮುಖಿಯನ್ನಾಗಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಎದುರಿಗೆ ಕೂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸರ್, ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಮಗದೊಮ್ಮೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ, ದೇವರು ಸದಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಹರಸಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿನತ್ತ ಕೊಂಡೊಯ್ಯಲಿ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ, ನಮ್ಮವರ ಭಾಷೆಯನ್ನು ನನ್ನ ಭಾಷೆಯಾಗಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟವರಿಗೆ ಅಭಾರಿಯಾಗಿ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಈ ಪ್ರೀತಿಪೂರ್ವಕ ಮಾತಿಗೆ ಪೂರ್ಣ ವಿರಾಮವನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Our talented school choir is all set to present a special group song dedicated with love to our chairman sir. Let's sit back, listen and enjoy the harmony.
ಶಾಂತಿ ಸೌಖ್ಯವು ನಿಮ್ಮದಾಗಲಿ. ಜನ್ಮದಿನವಿದು ನಿಮ್ಮದಾಗಿದೆ, ಶಾಂತಿ ಸೌಖ್ಯವು ನಿಮ್ಮದಾಗಲಿ. ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸುವೆವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಯುಷ್ಯ ಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಲಿ, ನೂರು ತುಂಬಲಿ. ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಿಸುವೆವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಯುಷ್ಯ ಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಲಿ, ನೂರು ತುಂಬಲಿ. ಜನ್ಮದಿನವಿದು ನಿಮ್ಮದಾಗಿದೆ, ಶಾಂತಿ ಸೌಖ್ಯವು ನಿಮ್ಮದಾಗಲಿ. ಪುಣ್ಯಕಾದಿರಿ, ನೀತಿ ಮಾರ್ಗದಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ ಎಂದು ಸಾಗಲಿ. ಪುಣ್ಯ ಹಾದಿಲಿ ನೀತಿ ಮಾರ್ಗದಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ ಎಂದು ಸಾಗಲಿ. ಜನ್ಮದಿನವಿದು ನಿಮ್ಮದಾಗಿದೆ, ಶಾಂತಿ ಸೌಖ್ಯವು ನಿಮ್ಮದಾಗಲಿ. ದೇವರ ಕೃಪೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲಿದೆ, ಸಾರ್ಥಕವಾಗಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ. ದೇವರ ಕೃಪೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲಿದೆ, ಸಾರ್ಥಕವಾಗಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ. ಜನ್ಮದಿನವಿದು ನಿಮ್ಮದಾಗಿದೆ, ಶಾಂತಿ ಸೌಖ್ಯವು ನಿಮ್ಮದಾಗಲಿ. ಶಾಂತಿ ಸೌಖ್ಯವು ನಿಮ್ಮದಾಗಲಿ, ಶಾಂತಿ ಸೌಖ್ಯವು ನಿಮ್ಮದಾಗಲಿ. Thank you.
I now invite our respected principal, Mrs. Deepthi Shetty, to share her wishes and thoughts on this special occasion dedicated to beloved Chairman Sir.
A very good afternoon to one and all. Respected Chairman Sir, dignitaries, my dear teachers and students. Today we all have gathered here today to celebrate the birthday of our beloved Chairman Sir, and I'm privileged I got an opportunity not just to share my wishes but also to speak something which inspires me a lot about him. Sir, what inspires me the most about you is your pursuit of perfection. Whether it's a small detail or a large decision, Sir gives it his full attention, ensuring that nothing is left incomplete or mediocre. His clarity, his discipline, and high standards motivate all of us to rise above the ordinary. Another inspiring quality in his vision, he doesn't just think of the present, he always looks ahead. Every idea, every initiative, every decision he makes is with one goal, the betterment of our students. He wants every child in this school to grow not just in knowledge, but also in values, culture, and character. Sir is a lifelong learner. He learns from everything around him, people, books, situation, and never stops evolving. That humility to remain a student, even as a leader, is something I deeply admire. He's firm in his decision, yes, but it comes from a place of care and conviction. And though students may not always see it now, they will one day realize the depth, thought behind every rule, every structure, and every expectations he sets. On your special day, sir, I join everyone here in wishing you abundant health, lasting joy, and continued success in all that you do. Wishing you once again a very happy birthday. Thank you so much, sir.
And now it's time to turn up the energy. Our next performance is sure to get your feet tapping and your heart smiling. presenting a colorful and energetic dance by our talented students of Class 8B. Let's cheer them on with a big round of applause.
Sarigama Karwa, the perfect gift for your loved ones.
नीले नीले अंबर पर चांद जब आए, प्यार बरसाए, हमको तरसाए। नीले नीले अंबर पर चांद जब आए, प्यार बरसाए, हमको तरसाए।
बार बार देखो, हजार बार देखो कि देखने की चीज है हमारा दिल रुबा। टाले हो, टाले हो, टाले हो।
बता दे, जरा मुझको बता दे, मैं उससे मिलूंगा, तुम्हारे मिला दे, यार मिला दे, यार मिला दे, यार मिला दे, यार मिला दे।
கொஞ்சம் ஸ்பீட் ஏத்து மாமே.
make some noise for.
Y una vez más se viene el pasito de la Martita. Número 2, dice Tadeo, dice Raulito. Con fuerza, muchachos.
A.N.G. Saura.
On this special day, I extend my heartfelt wishes to our Honorable Chairman and wish you a very happy birthday. Your vision, dedication and commitment to perfection continues to inspire all of us. Under your leadership, GM Global has grown with a particular purpose and passion and has led on to create a meaningful impact in the lives of all the students that you see seated here. May this year bring you abundant health, happiness and continued success in all your endeavors. And we all look forward to many more years of progress under your able guidance. I wish you a very happy birthday from all the staff of GM Global School. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your heartfelt words and warm wishes. Our teachers are not just mentors, they are multi-talented stars. Up next, we have a special musical performance by our beloved teachers dedicated to our chairman, sir.
कहाँ शुरू करा कदम ये मंजिलें है कौन सी न वो समझ सके न हम अजीब दास्तां है कहाँ शुरू करा कदम ये मंजिलें है कौन सी ना वो समझ सके ना हम रोशनी के साथ क्यों धुआं उठा चिराग से रोशनी के साथ क्यों धुआं उठा चिराग से ये ख्वाब देखती हूँ मैं कि जगती हूँ ख्वाब से
अजीब दास्तां है, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें है कौन सी, न वो समझ सके न हम। मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा, छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा, बदला ये मौसम लगे प्यारा जग सारा, छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा। जो कहे जीवन भर तेरे लिए मैं गाऊं, तेरे लिए मैं गाऊं, गीत तेरे रूप में लिखता चला जाऊं, लिखता चला जाऊं, मेरे गीतों में तुझे ढूंढे जग सारा, छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा, बदला ये मौसम लगे प्यारा जग सारा, छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा। कोई नगमा कहीं गूंजा कहाँ दिल में कि तू आई, कहीं चटकी गली कोई मैं समझा तू शर्माई, कोई खुशबू कहीं बिखरी लगाए जुल्फ लहराई, लिखे जो खत तुझे जो तेरी याद में हजारों रंग के नजारे बन गए, सवेरा जब हुआ तो फूल बन गए, जो रात आई तो सितारे बन गए, लिखे जो खत तुझे। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना, जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना, उड़ले 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 कल क्या हो किसने जाना, जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। ಸುದಿನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜನ್ಮದಿನ, ಸಂತೋಷದ ಶುಭ ಸುದಿನ, ಈ ಸುದಿನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜನ್ಮದಿನ, ಹಳೆಯದು ಮರೆಯಲಿ ಹೊಸದಿನಲಿ, ಈ ಜೀವನ ನಲಿಯಲಿ ಹರುಷದಲ್ಲಿ, ಈ ಸುದಿನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜನ್ಮದಿನ, ಸಂತೋಷದ ಶುಭ ಸುದಿನ, ಈ ಸುದಿನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜನ್ಮದಿನ. ನಿಮ್ಮಯ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಹೂವಿನ ರೀತಿ, ಅಂದಗೆ ಕಣ್ಣನು ತೆರೆಸುವ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮಯ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಹೂವಿನ ರೀತಿ, ಅಂದಗೆ ಕಣ್ಣನು ತೆರೆಸುವ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ, ಕಲ್ಲಿನ ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಕರಗಿಸೋ ಕುಲುಮೆ, ಪಾಪವ ತೊಳೆಯುವುದು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಚಿಲುಮೆ, ಈ ಸುದಿನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜನ್ಮದಿನ, ಸಂತೋಷದ ಶುಭ ಸುದಿನ, ಈ ಸುದಿನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜನ್ಮದಿನ.
And now comes the most awaited moment of today's celebration, a moment to hear from the heart behind this institution. A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way and shows the way. And that's exactly what our chairman sir has always done for us. We are honored to invite our beloved chairman sir to address us.
Good evening to all of you. Esteemed Managing Trustee Mr. Pranav Shetty, Distinguished Trustee Member Mrs. Tara Prakash, Mrs. Shrima Pranav, beloved Principal, Academic Director, most respected teachers, members of GM family, and my most loving gems of GM Global. I'm so happy, overwhelmed with so many emotions memories, the difficult days which I have gone through, and some of the most cherishable moments during these global 3 years journey and in Vidyaniketan 20 years of journey. I'm very happy seeing that the love, the affections you are showing towards me, and I'm very sad that I'm getting older and older. But, dear students, every day, the moment I get up from the bed till I go to bed, my only thinking, planning, and meticulous execution of my plan always is thinking about this great institution all the days of my life. When you are loving me so much, sometimes I sit back and think, what is that I am giving them to? This is not a private school. I charge fees. You all paid your fees and getting educated here. Then why do you show me so much of love, affections, and so on? Maybe probably I'm getting older and older. Whenever you meet old people, you show them extra that care, love, all that. Is that so? But I will take it in another way, that all of you are really, really, likes me, show me so much of love and affection. When all of you are singing, dancing, these are the most cherishable moments of my life, which I'll never forget. Yes, when our, the anchor, when he was, introducing me, he was telling, I'm disciplinarian, strict disciplinarian rather sometime. But in spite of all that, all of you know that we are going towards the same goal, which is excellence with perfection. That is the mantra of GM, whether it is Vidyaniketan or global. You have all come from different environment, different places. Of course, your parents have taken decision to admit you here. I don't know what are all the qualities which they look at, but I'm very clear in my vision that it is my responsibility to see that you are going to get well educated and you get education for your life, which is more important than education for just getting jobs. In this process, we conduct so many orientation programs. We keep calling guests to educate you what is required for life. And I think on this birthday occasion, this is not the time to discuss or speak about. I can only say thank you for your affections. I only pray and thank my great parents and the Almighty for giving me the strength and the vision to take this institution to the greater height. I must really thank each one of these great teachers, members of GM Global, who always standing next to me in every, the actions or the decisions which I take. Firmly they stand with me. I must really thank them for showing the right way, right path for all of you. Dear children, I've seen you preparing these cards and all. You are so interested, you are showing so much of interest, whether you are preparing for the dance or, these activities, fixing of, tying of balloons and so on. Thank you so much. And I keep loving you, certainly. And sometimes, of course, I keep shouting at you, but that is how I, live. And I appreciate good things always. I pat you whenever you do good job. I also correct you whenever it is required. And all of you taking it in a very right way, sportive way. That is how we have to grow. Once again, I thank all these program coordinators and all my dear and near gems of GM once again for showing all your love to me. Thank you. God bless us.
Thank you, sir, for those inspiring words. They will surely stay with us for a long time.
ನಾನು ಗೇಟ್ನಿಂದ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರುವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸಿರೋದು ಆ ಬೋರ್ಡ್, ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಬೋರ್ಡ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ತನ್ನ ಹಸ್ತವನ್ನಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಿ. ವಾವ್, ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಬೇಕು? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆ ಹಸ್ತ ಅದು ಅಭಯ ಹಸ್ತ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಇಷ್ಟವಾಗಿರೋದು ಇವತ್ತು ಆ ಬೋರ್ಡು, ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಆಲ್ ಯುವರ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್. ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ಬಹಳ ಜೋಪಾನವಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಪ್ರತಿ ಬಾರಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದಾಗಲೂ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಭಗವಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಏನು ನೀವು ಆಸೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕನಸುಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕಟ್ಟಿಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲಿ GM ಗ್ಲೋಬಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಕನಸು ನೆನಸಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ರಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೂ ತಂದೆ ಮತ್ತು ತಾಯಿಯಂದರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ನನ್ನ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ಸನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು 2 ಸಾಲು ಲೆಟರ್ ಬರೀತೇನೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಭಗವಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Thank you, sir, for your thoughtful words and wishes. Celebration is a way of saying thank you to life. And today we celebrated not just a birthday, but a legacy. On behalf of GM Global School and everyone present here today, we once again wish a very happy birthday to our beloved chairman, sir. May your day be filled with joy and your years ahead with good health, success and continued impact. We also extend our sincere gratitude to our esteemed dignitaries, dedicated teachers and our wonderfully talented students. Thank you all for being a part of this special day. Thank you one and all, and may the joy of today stay with us always. Thank you.